Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin' It, and today I'm going to tell you why I will never buy GE appliances again. Okay, so I redid this kitchen about 6 years ago. I bought top of the line cafe appliances from GE. So we got microwave, we got the oven. So let me tell you what happened. So this one, the refrigerator already had to be fixed twice. Okay, first the freezer wasn't working. We had to fix that, so that was, I don't know, $300 to fix, whatever. And then the other day, the whole refrigerator wasn't working, so that was another $300 to fix. This one, I have a video on this. I had to change the igniter. That wasn't a big deal. Cheap fix, easy fix. Yeah. I did that myself. Yeah. Handle. All right, my wife is telling me the handle. This thing came, and the handle, the heat from this range messed up this handle, and you cut yourself. And I sent a nasty email to GE, and they were like, you know, very worried I was gonna sue or something. But they sent me a whole new door, and I put a whole new door with a whole new handle. So that was the first thing that happened. The second thing that happened was about 4 months ago, this thing stopped working. Now this is $1,000 convection top of the line thing. And I figured, I don't know, 350 bucks to fix. I figured I'd do it. Anyway, lasted 4 months, now it's dead again. So, you know, I'm kind of annoyed, very annoyed with GE products altogether. That's why I would never buy another one. Now, I have a Maytag refrigerator downstairs that lasted 20 years so far, knock on wood, no problems. And that's why I bought a Maytag microwave. So I'm gonna put that on now. So this is Bart. He's gonna help me today take this thing out. So what you need to do is get everything off the top, and the screws up here you need to take off. There's usually like 2 screws. Take these off, and then this whole thing comes out. All right guys, I only have one more screw to take out. Once this comes out, you're gonna, it's just sitting on top of this ledge over here. So once that screw comes out, it's just gonna lean forward and you just unhook it, take it out. All right guys, have somebody to help you out and push up over here so this thing doesn't fall once you take out the last screw. Okay. So now, this is gonna fall forward. Let's pick it up from the back. Just grab it. Don't walk it away. You got it, Corey? Mm-hmm. All right. This is interesting right here. That's Maytag, but it's manufactured by Whirlpool. So it's a Whirlpool thing. I don't know. Hopefully this one will be better than GE. It says it has a 10-year limited parts warranty. Okay, this is the top of the microwave. Make sure you take off these things. It says remove. So basically all you gotta do is open the door and they just fall right off. This is just a vent. All right guys, this is the bottom. You're just gonna put this filter in place. This thing just slides in there like that. All right guys, check this out. This is the back. This is the way it came out of the box, with bird poop or whatever on it. My friend thinks that's the way the coronavirus comes over. All right. So we need to take this bracket off, unscrew it off the wall, and we need to put this one on. This is the one that came with it. It died. All right guys, so don't get rid of this cardboard on top, because this is going to be the template. You need to cut it out, and this is what you're going to use as a template to put the holes up here. Okay. All right guys, you're going to use the cardboard to figure out how low you're going to put this mounting plate. Okay, so you're going to mark it, and then put them on the plate like this. Make sure you hit a stud when you do this. If not, you're gonna need some of these, okay? It comes with it, so these just kind of fold, and you stick it in the drywall, and they open up in there, and then you could tighten it up. All right, guys, so I cut out the template over here, and this is the way this is gonna be. Kind of, this hole is for this right here, and this other hole is for the wire. So you're gonna take this just like that, and it tells you this goes in the back wall. So goes like that. Make sure these holes are 10 inches from the wall. Okay, this one and this one over here. All right, guys, it was close to the other hole, but not quite. So that's the new mark for the new hole, and this is the other mark. And this is where you're supposed to make the hole for the cord, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna use the same one. The cord is just gonna go over, and then. All right, guys, we're ready to put the microwave in. When you put it in, put this part in first, hook it to these two things, and then flip it over to the top and put your bolts on top, okay? It's on there.
Nice.
All right, somebody hold this for me. Just hold it up. Oh. All right, guys, we put the 2 screws on top, plugged it in, and she's ready to go. So that's the way it looks. Nice. So I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Take care. Thanks, Papa.
Anytime.